I'm Nyda.
I'm Lacey.
And we're Team Coco for this bingo challenge.
Yes. That's my best friend.
And I think we're doing it with a little bit of technique and skill.
Yeah. So we have a strategy.
Kind of. So let's hope that we actually beat them.
Yeah.
For our first box, it's trying to find Nala.
Find Simba and Nala nuzzling near the drums.
Yes.
Yeah.
But oh, actually, we can do one right here, right now, because we have one box that says Pumbaa and Timon, doesn't it?
Find. Oh no. Wait.
It's Rafiki. Nope. I guess we don't. So I guess we're just gonna go to Africa.
Oh wait. Right here.
Take a picture with
Simone.
Simba, Timon. Okay.
Simone.
And if you look, like right there. Okay. Could be any bird.
Right here. I see it. There's right there. There's an eagle. Yeah.
Got that.
Exit off.
Oh shit, that's going down. We could do find Simba, Nala, and that's like near the trees. That would be in Africa. Okay, let's try to find a plush.
From the movie. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. What'd you guys find? Oh god, check that off. Oh boy.
No, that is not good.
Okay, where is that? Right here.
Right there.
Okay. What's the next thing we're gonna look for?
Oh, I'm done.
Take a picture on the tuk-tuk cart. Do you want to do that?
Yeah, that should be amazing. We got our Timon, Pumbaa, and Simba professionally done. They decided just to take a selfie, which sucks because we're gonna look kind of cute.
Out of here.
Anyways, they were going to the left and now they're following us to Africa.
Oh no, we're not going there.
Where are you guys going? They're going to Asia. So we just took a picture with the gang, the Lion King gang. And
Dumb for that.
yeah, they literally saw us, but they didn't even see us. They just like glanced at us, and then like 5 minutes later, they're like, "Hey!"
You got a camera in your pocket and you're gonna
They
wait.
literally waited. They could just take a selfie like real quick.
This is the superior team right here.
He's not here. Now what? Okay, we're gonna go find something else, Hannah. Okay, what is the next one on our list?
Let's see.
We want to go find a hidden Pumbaa behind the gate, which is one of the boxes. So now we just have one box that we can't check off, but he's not there.
Yeah,
So
there's 2 other statues that you can look at.
yeah.
I think y'all are just bad. That's fine.
You guys are literally, you went the other way, so we're like, okay, we have an advantage. We're going to Africa. And then you guys go to Africa with us. We're going on the water right now. How you feeling?
I'm feeling steady.
Steady?
I don't know how far they are, so like, you know. But I think we're doing pretty good.
Yeah. The next challenge is to find a bird on the tree of life. And there is an owl
I see the owl
right there. So that is considered one box. Okay?
Yep.
Since we could not find Pumbaa behind the gate, we had to find another Pumbaa. And we're just gonna do merchandise because Pumbaa's everywhere.
Yeah.
So,
This is so cute.
one box. We also found an Up stuffed animal.
Plushie? Yeah.
Yes, this is a plushie. You can see it. Look at it. Look at Russell's cute little smile. That's another cow right there. But these are all the goats that we're gonna go pet. So
How can goats just stand there and like do nothing? Like they're not
Just-
even moving. Oh my god. Look at
there's a goat right here. There's a goat. I don't think any of them want to be pet. There's one right here. Okay, so let's go pet that. Just pet that goat, like stroke it once.
that one?
Yes.
Take a picture.
Just because if they're behind this line, that means that they don't want to be disturbed, and we're not going to disturb them. Except this one loves petting.
That's a pig.
That's a pig.
Put the pig.
Fun fact, I want that pig.
They're all so cute.
We're gonna try to win a prize. We are headed in Chester and Heston's Dino-Rama.
Pig. Unfortunately, all the goats don't want to be pet today. So, so that's not what we're gonna be doing. That's okay though, because they're cute. They're all just trying to vibe. So the inconvenience is no goats want to be pet. They're all like behind the thing and we can't go past it.
Yeah. Oh,
but she did
peed.
pet. Oh.
A goat is peeing. Okay, she did.
That's the goat that she pet.
Goat. We don't know if it's a goat or a sheep.
No, it was
We
a sheep.
don't
Sorry,
know.
it is a sheep. Sorry, I keep saying that.
Yeah.
It's a sheep.
I pet
But that's
her.
what we're gonna consider the goat because it's like against the rules. We can't go past the rope.
Only the pigs and the sheep want to be pet.
So if Sarah clears that, then that's a box.
Yeah.
We'll put it in a different color. That's another one. Buzz, if you want to count them. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And I think skulls.
Pumbaa's
skull.
There's a whole bunch of their skulls. The lady says that they always have hidden Mickeys that they make. So there's one with the cucumbers.
Yeah.
That's a cute one. And that is 1 out of 5. Okay, here's another hidden Mickey. It's all the skins of this like snakes and skinks, pythons. Ooh, I didn't like. Whoa.
Whoa.
Number 2. Ribbit. They used the net to make a hidden Mickey. And that's number 3.
Oh my god, we found
Number
meerkats.
3.
You see that? There were meerkats.
Oh no, I didn't get it.
Oh my god.
That's okay. I'm happy about that. There you go. This is the 3rd one? 4th one? 4th. Hidden Mickey. And the ostrich eye. He lied. So we have Hidden Mickey right there. They're all like down there. And so, is that considered number 5? That is considered number 5. Okay. We are in Asia, trying to find the tuk-tuk cart, but it's like right over there, and I can't really turn the camera around, so I'll get a video of that. So here we are. And this is a picture. There you go. We are at the little drum place, and that is where
Nala and Simba
we're supposed to be, but they got rid of it.
They got rid of all the scavenger hunt statues.
So we're gonna go and find another one that we just saw, and we're gonna take that as one since, you know, it's still there.
Yeah.
Okay. So we are here. This is what we were talking about as inner placement.
There it is.
Right there. So there. Nala and Simba. That's another one. Oh, hot. Another box marked. None of them have any characters on it, but I'm gonna wave just in case because she said that we could wave, I think. So, I don't know. Hi. We're waving. Look at that. Okay, we did the Zoom photo. He can approve that. Yes. Yes, so we did the Zoom photo that was out on the lake. And that is one box done.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we are on Expedition Everest. Oh my god, we're getting on right now. So, right now. This is terrifying. Oh my god. Oh, one box down. Hey y'all. Sarah left her GoPro on the dinosaur ride. So, now we have to vlog with my phone for a little second. We just got off the dinosaur ride, which crossed that off, and all we need for that row is going to be to meet at least 3 characters. I mean, wave to them.
No, it's to ride the train.
No, it's not.
That is.
Oh, maybe I'm thinking of the other line. We have 2 lines with 4 things on it, and for the 5th one, we need either to ride the train and get 2 pet goats, or to wave to at least 3 characters, which we have to do in Africa for both, so we're going there now. We're stuck.
Oh my god, we're stuck on the road.
It's okay though, because we're
landing. We're like up. We're going up. Oh,
we're moving now. We're moving now. We just won! We just ran, which you'll probably see. We ran to go find, because we heard the boats come with the 3 characters on it, and we ran, and we went to go get them, and we said hi to them. It was Goofy, Chip, and Dale. I think that was it. Yeah, we just got it.
We saw them. We thought we were gonna miss them, but we were like sprinting. We were like,
I got it on video. We were running. But we just got it, and now we're just going to wait until they meet us at the Adventures Outpost right now. So they're in there. We're running. Sorry. Yes, I got it! Woo! That's right! We got it! So we just got a call from Hanna, and they said that they finished their bingo.
but okay, listen. Everest was our last thing to make bingo, and then we called them to see if it counted to wave the 3 characters because there were no characters out. instead of waving to cast members on the boat, and they said no. And then 5 minutes later, they're like, oh, we just found 3 cast members on a boat and waved to them, so we went in.
No, it was they found like Timon.
Wait, where?
They found like on the boat, unfortunately. But the thing is that I don't know. I honestly thought it counted because
Technically, we got bingo first.
just because the thing is that like with COVID going on, it's very, very hard, and they say that that's the point. But I guess like just to be a good sport, yay.
Yeah,
But we're so
whatever. We
like
got a ton of stuff done there.
we could have gotten multiple bingos. I'm just mad. It's okay.
It's okay. Whatever.
It's okay.
How do you guys feel now that you lost?
Not bad because we did the most.
Yeah, we did more stuff than you guys, so it was more fun. It was more fun.
But like we also said, we had a feeling that we were gonna lose because you guys are like literally power walking everywhere.
Yeah.
We had a feeling you guys were gonna win because you had the easiest.
We were enjoying our time. So
Yeah,
when we
we
were
were
to the
chilling.
Rafiki area, we were like walking.
I got my ice cream. I was
Who
eating
said
my
we
ice
don't
cream.
enjoy our time? Are you kidding? And now we get a Raya ice cream.
we were honestly we were chilling. If we went on a 50-minute wait, we were just chilling. We were just chilling.
We were on a 50-minute ride
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting.
for an hour.
Yeah, we just
But
waited.
no, I would say in my mind and my heart, we won because we did a lot more. And if we did do the blackout win, the little bingo,
Yeah, y'all would have won that.
we would have won.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
It's just because we were doing more of convenience instead of waiting, because we could have gone on the Pandora ride and be done. But then it was like,
Yeah, because that's like, there's
on the
just
other
like
side.
the one Pandora ride right there.
Yeah.
That I had to do.
it was fun-ish.
We were so sure you guys were gonna win because we were doing like things that cost time, like a lot of time.
No,
So-
for us, it was more like the thing that cost time was the walking.
Yeah.
Like, and then when we went to the Rafiki, we were scared that you were gonna call then because the line was a bit long and there was just kids everywhere, so we couldn't like do much yet.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
Well,
If we had walked a little bit faster and seen it before y'all, that'd been crazy.
we bolted like literally.
It's
This is
okay.
like the good thing that came out of it.
Oh, did you win that?
Yes.
You got yourself a Triceratops,
Yes.
Sarah.
Yes.
It was either Mickey, Minnie, or that.
And this was like the cutest
We
thing.
only did one thing.